3 divided by 3 gives us 1. Then 1 over 8 times 8 equals 1. But this answer is not correct because when dividing by a fraction, we must first use the KCF rule. Keep, change, and flip. First, we keep the 3, change the division sign to multiplication, and flip 3 over 8, which becomes 8 over 3. Now the expression becomes 3 times 8 over 3 times 8. Now we simplify before multiplying. 3 divided by 3 equals 1. Now the expression becomes 1 times 8 times 8. Next, 1 times 8 equals 8. Now the expression is 8 times 8. Finally, 8 times 8 equals 64. So the correct answer is 64.